Acer 15.6-inch laptop. That's the model number on top. i5, and it comes with 8 gig of RAM. But I'm going to change it to 16. So yeah, I went at the front corner and along the front as opposed to down the side. Worked well for me. So I dumped out the battery. Hang on there. Metal piece on both ends, and it pops up. And then pull back. Now let's see what this one says. The old one was 8. It's a single slot. And so they say this laptop can be slightly different configurations depending on where it was made. So I got a 16 gigabyte chip and I'll put it in. I should have 16. Some, for some reason, had 4 on board, I guess, and a 4 gigabyte chip. And so if you add 16, you get 20 total. But this looks like it's going to be 16 total. So let's slide this in and push it down. Okay, I'm just going to set the back cover on here and snap it down before I put the screws on. I'll see if it registered 16 gigabytes. All snapped in, just about. There it goes. And well, you saw me push the button, so count the seconds. It looks like the keyboard's lit up. All right, fingertip reader. And now let me see. I've got CPU Z on here somewhere. Okay. 16 gigabytes. It worked.